Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Aprilia V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions. Aprilia has once again raised the bar in the sport motorcycle category with the launch of its highly anticipated 2025 V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions. These limited edition models represent the pinnacle of Aprilia's engineering prowess and racing heritage, combining cutting-edge technology with championship-winning performance to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. At the heart of the Aprilia V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions lies a formidable 999 cubic centimeters V4 engine, meticulously tuned to produce an exhilarating 217 horsepower and 122 Nm of torque. This engine is derived directly from Aprilia's MotoGP and World Superbike racing expertise, ensuring blistering acceleration and uncompromising performance on both the road and track. The advanced electronics package, including ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, and launch control, allows riders to harness the full potential of the V4 engine with confidence and precision. The 2025 V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions exemplify Aprilia's commitment to pushing the boundaries of sport motorcycle performance, said Massimo Rivola, CEO of Aprilia Racing. These models showcase our racing DNA and relentless pursuit of excellence, offering enthusiasts an unmatched blend of technology, agility, and exhilaration. Visually, the V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions are a feast for the eyes, featuring a striking and aerodynamically optimized design inspired by Aprilia's championship-winning race bikes. The bikes boast aggressive lines, a sleek fairing, and premium carbon fiber components, ensuring optimal aerodynamic efficiency and reducing weight for enhanced agility and stability at high speeds. The distinctive triple LED headlights and LED taillights not only enhance visibility but also contribute to the bike's modern and aggressive appearance. Rider ergonomics and comfort have been meticulously engineered in the V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions. The bikes feature a race-inspired riding position, with adjustable foot pegs and clip-on handlebars, allowing riders to tailor their stance for maximum control and comfort on the track or spirited rides. The advanced suspension system, comprising Öhlins front forks and rear monoshock with electronic adjustments, ensures precise handling and superior ride quality, adapting seamlessly to varying road conditions and riding styles. The 2025 Aprilia V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions are equipped with a state-of-the-art TFT display that provides riders with real-time data, including speed, gear position, lap times, and navigation prompts. Additional features include a quickshifter for seamless gear changes, Brembo brakes for exceptional stopping power, and a comprehensive suite of connectivity options for smartphone integration and data logging. Industry experts and enthusiasts alike have praised the V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions for their unparalleled performance and technological innovation. The Aprilia V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions are a dream come true for sport motorcycle enthusiasts, remarked renowned motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. With their race-derived engine, advanced electronics, and aggressive styling, these bikes represent the epitome of high-performance motorcycles. With limited production numbers and exclusive features, the 2025 Aprilia V4 Factory SE09 SBK Special Editions are set to become collector's items, coveted by riders who crave the ultimate in performance and exclusivity. Enthusiasts eagerly await their arrival at dealerships, ready to experience firsthand the thrill of riding a machine that blends racing technology with everyday exhilaration, reaffirming Aprilia's status as a leader in the sport motorcycle industry.